Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grimstroke. He is a formidable intelligence hero known for his potent spellcasting and crowd control abilities. Mastering his kit allows you to dominate team fights and secure crucial kills. We will cover his core abilities, early game strategies, and how to maximize his impact throughout the match. Get ready to unleash devastating combos and secure victory with this versatile support. Grimstroke's first ability, Stroke of Fate, paints a path of ink, damaging and slowing enemies it hits. Phantom's Embrace summons a phantom that silences and damages a single target. Ink Swell shrouds an ally, boosting their speed and stunning nearby enemies after a short delay. Finally, Soulbind is his ultimate, linking two enemies so that single target spells cast on one also affect the other, creating powerful double impacts. In the early game, Grimstroke is a strong laning presence. Use Stroke of Fate to constantly harass opponents and secure valuable ranged creeps. Phantom's Embrace can silence dangerous enemies or help secure last hits. Look for opportunities to combine Ink Swell with an aggressive ally to initiate fights and secure early kills. Your initial item purchases should include Boots of Speed for movement and a magic wand for burst regeneration. As the game progresses, Grimstroke's impact grows significantly. In mid to late game team fights, aim to catch two key enemy heroes with Soulbind, then unleash your single target spells for double the effect. Combine Ink Swell with allied area of effect abilities for devastating stuns and damage. Always maintain safe positioning, typically behind your team's front line. Consider items like Aetha Lens for increased cast range and Aghanim's Scepter for a powerful ultimate upgrade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.